Hello everyone, hello. Welcome again for another video. Welcome to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Please, I will beg. I'm actually begging for those who are new, and if you know you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and then don't also hesitate to press the bell notification. That way, each time I upload a video, you will be notified. Okay, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Don't hesitate to like and share. Please share to your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend, like some of the content creators will say. Tell a friend to tell a friend that I have started something on my channel. After a while, after contemplating for a while, I have finally decided to start up something. Please, as usual, there's not much to explain on this video, but it's pretty much similar to what you've been seeing or what you've seen on somebody. Just a little bit of stylish, like the crisscross and a single cornrow hairstyle. Okay guys, that is exactly what I have here for you. So you will realize that on this section you realize that I already did my cornrow, but as we go further I will probably have to take it off and redo it again. For some reason I decided to redo it again, thinking this one wasn't that good. But anyhow, if you see me redoing my cornrow, like the single cornrow I have in the center of my head, don't get pissed off. So guys, that's all what I have to say. But I have a little bit of good style, or a little bit of new something new. I decided to mix up the red and the black to make a very big, large, not too big, like a medium bun, something mixing the red and the wine red hair, synthetic hair, and the black hair. So that was something I thought of doing. Like, this could be a very good stylish, this could be a very, like, something good to share with viewers out there. Like, whenever I think of doing something, I try as much as possible to make it look a little bit different, to make it look a little bit fashionable. Like, whatever thing somebody brings up, I call it fashion. It's a fashion. Somebody might decide to put on pants one side longer than the other. It's fashion. Like, anything you see on somebody, I call it fashion, unless it's something that doesn't look good, or that's something that looks reckless, right guys? So I decided to bring my own style, like mixing up this hair. It's what I call style. It's my own thought, and I find it good. I realized that it was good when I did it. I realized that it was good. It actually looks good when you are done. it looks good when you mix up hairs. It's just like when you do single braid, right? You mix up the brown, the black, whatsoever color that works for you, whatsoever color that you like better. So whatever color you mix, it's still a style. So I decided to take my red wine hair and my black natural hair and put them together. I had to twist them ahead of time. This time around, I didn't have to twist my style, my synthetic on my head. I had to twist them separately. So guys, as I was saying, this is what I was saying. I'm actually doing my cornrow again. This is the only single cornrow I have to do on my head on this video. So for some reason, I felt like the other one wasn't good. I had to take it down and redo it again and keep redoing it. I don't know, maybe it was a gel that finally make it look good at the end of the day, or I can't tell. Because even this one that I'm doing right now, I finally took it down again and did it again. Like, no, sometimes the eyes deceive, or maybe the gel we have on the hair makes our hair looks nasty at that moment. But when the hair gets dry, it looks good. It gives the attractiveness of the hairstyle. It brings out the hairstyle that you are trying to do. All right, guys, let's play some music. My hair looks a little bit nasty at this moment, but don't worry. When I'm done, when I'm done doing it, and then tie the hair to allow the gel get to dry, you enjoy it. You can see it from my other videos. Like, whenever I'm actually doing my hair, the gel makes the hair looks nasty. So, but don't worry. Whenever you see it from anybody, anywhere, just know that it's just the gel. See, it's just the gel that sticks out of the hair and makes the surrounding looks nasty. But when you finally tie it and let it dry for after a couple of hours, you realize that you finally made it. I mean, your style finally came out. So I'm thinking, like I told you in my other video, anytime from now I might perm my hair, because I don't find it fun having a short hair. Like, my hair is so short, at a certain point I can't like put it together. That's why for the most part I always tie my bun each time. So you had it in my other video on the long synthetic hairstyle I was doing. You see, the long braided synthetic hairstyle I did, I had to add up something. I had to add up some hair, make a little bond, and before I could add up my extension. Guys, that is what I have for you on this video for now. All right, let's carry on with the music. Don't only forget to like and share, to subscribe, and tell a friend that I am already uploading videos. For those who know me, for those of you out there that know me, tell a colleague to tell a colleague to tell a colleague to tell a colleague that so and so or Solange or Mindy is uploading videos. Share them, like them, subscribe, and you see, comment. Don't hesitate to say what you think about my video. Don't hesitate to share what you know. Yeah, but don't insult me because I didn't say I'm doing the best. I didn't say I know it all. I'm just trying my best. Okay. All right, guys. There is this video I've been planning to edit and submit, which I did my eyebrow. So I'm still promising you to upload this video. As for those who are connecting, please keep connecting, and then one day you will realize that I finally uploaded the video. But I promise I will upload it. I haven't edited it yet because that is not my field. That is not what I do. So I have to think of what to say and how to put it right. But the most essential thing is getting to know who did it. That way you can go to the person and get yours done. And I will put her number on the screen. Okay, guys. Getting up the next morning, I had my hair prepared. I had my extensions already twisted up. So what I did is putting the black first, then adding up the red wine hair. So when I did this, I realized that one side was puffy, one side was thin. So I decided to add another one, which you will see in few minutes later. So when you put this, make sure you stick in your pins pretty well, because those pins prove really stubborn. So when you put them, they keep puffing out. So make sure you take your time. So at some point I even thought of like sewing them, like sewing the hairs together, like both the wine and the black hair, like attaching it on my hair, since the pins doesn't want to stay in. So one day I will like do some other hair and then make sure I sew it, because I don't trust those pins. Okay, this is what I was telling you. You add up another hairstyle, synthetic. That way it gives a good fitness of your hairstyle. Okay, one side is puffy and the other side is thin, so make sure you add up another hair to make it look equal. Okay guys, bye. I will leave you right here. Keep watching, watch to the end. Don't hesitate to subscribe and like. Bye.